You must work as a divine feminine woman to magnetize love, money, attraction to you. And the problem is, you've been taught to grind for it. You've been taught that the work should drain you. It's not the work that's the problem. A woman, we are creatrix. We are the creatrix. That's why we have wombs. It's not just to birth children, it's to birth realms and ideas. All right? It's to create communities. It's to create products that help to raise the frequency of other women and to heal the planet. I don't care if it's a makeup product. I don't care if it's a course. I don't care if it's a song. I don't care if it's a reading. I don't even care if it's a marketing plan. When you are lit up with pleasure and passion for your work as a woman, you magnetize the same thing. You magnetize more pleasure. You magnetize more passion. You magnetize more play and more rest. You see, the masculine is meant to run on adrenaline. The feminine is meant to run on pleasure, honey, not hustle. So you need to ask yourself, is the work that I'm doing, even if it is a 9 to 5, you want to work a 9 to 5? Great. But just know if you're working that 9 to 5 and you're waking up exhausted and you're exhausted when you go to work and you're people pleasing when you're going to work and you're sacrificing yourself when you're going to work and you're getting off of work and you're popping down in front of the TV because you're numb because of everything that you've done. You've worked yourself too hard. All right. You're not even supposed to work. I'm going to be honest with you. You, as a divine feminine, are not supposed to be working 8 hours a day. That's a man. Men do that. Women are cyclical. Women are meant to rest for 10 hours plus a day and only work for a few hours a day. Your body is not meant for that. So you want to know why your relationships, your friendships, your money is suffering. There's something in your life if you find yourself suffering. You see your nervous system, your feminine nervous system, and your nervous system is your body's alarm system. It will send off a shrill and it will do it by manifesting as toxic relation you attracting toxic relationship, toxic work environments. All right? Draining yourself, health issues, your adrenal system, your nervous system. This is why so many women are diagnosed with so many problems, so many health issues, because you're not meant to work like that. But you are meant to work, right? Because you are the creator and you need to be lit up with some purpose, and you have one. Beyond whatever work that you're doing that is draining you, exhausting you, you should be waking up eager to do your work. All right? I know for me, when I wake up and I get to create, this is my medicine, right? Gone are the days when I'm going to a work grueling, self sacrificing, draining myself just to prove that I am worthy. You are worthy because it is your divine birthright as a feminine. Okay? You're in survival states. You should not be working under the duress of survival states. That's the difference. Yes, absolutely work. And when you work, what is inside of you, that passion, that drive, it starts to magnetize gifts, money, opportunities, softness. You're hard not because of what you wear or how you look, but because inside you're in a state of survival. And the feminine is more prone to this than a man because your body is not made like a man's. This is biology. This is not even we're talking biology here, not spiritual. Your brain is not that of a man's. All right? So it cannot take this grueling. I know that you were taught that, but it's not working out for you. Okay? You need to be working with passion and fire and pleasure. so that you can attract the same. And if you need help with this, I have a free feminine nervous system guide for you to download, or if you want to go deeper with me, I have a 7-day rewiring the feminine nervous system course. I'm going to put the link in the description. And if you're interested in following me on IG, you can follow me at the Empress Azure. And thanks so much for watching. I love you. Bye.